Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install Tivimate to your Android TV device without using the downloader application. This is going to be very short and easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, the application you can use to install Tivimate without downloader is this application called APK Time. And now you are wondering, how do you get APK Time to your Android TV device without downloader? In the description of this video, I have added a guide and a video that should help you get APK Time to your Android TV device without downloader. I do not want to make this video long, so please watch that guide and come then and launch the APK Time application on your Android TV. Once you launch it, what you need to do, come over to the option that says Players and Browsers. Now in this option, please scroll down to the bottom. You're going to see the Tivimate application, and here's it over here. So here's the application, and all you need to do once you're here is to download the application to your Android TV device. This is very simple. Just click download and the application is going to be downloaded to your Android TV. Once it's done downloading, then you can install it. That's very simple. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.